Yun yung sabi ko, yun yung maling paggamit ng body positivity. Korea.
True.
As much as you like their artists, ganun sa kanila, napapareto niya physically better.
Large size nila eh, size 20.
Hi guys, this is our vlog. Finals.
May kinukot ko.
Obe, para maganda yung lighting mo.
Hi, so this is...
Ay. I'm wearing my uniform because later on we're going to observe at SMU Elementary. So, vlog po ito. Ay, wala.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our vlog! It's us again for... Sorry, man.
So we have here our dog. Alaga namin yan.
Don't... I include you on my vlog. Hi, love. Clyde. Yes. Ang laki naman ng Clyde. Ang laki naman ng ribbon sa belt.
So we just finished our last lesson. So we're about to go.
Say hi. Ala, nahiya ka pa.
So we're about to get our test pre-meet. So come on, join us.
Thank you, Gab. And I'm undoing our instructional materials because we're going to pass it later. Thank you, Beth. Hi, Beth. Wait, I'm doing a vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Hi, vlog. Okay lang ba? Okay lang ba to? Or should I... Wala kang duty ngayon?
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, Chloe. Bye, Johnny. Thank you, George. Thank you, George.
Okay na.
Ate yung montage. Pwedeng human draw. Our faces of naman is done. Ito tignan nyo yung itsurang yan, guys. Yan na dapat ang i-bash nyo ng sobrang sobra. Right?
Right ka dyan, right ka.
Masamang ugali sa lahat ng mga video mo. Hi guys, naglilinis na siya ng kalat niya. Kasi ang kalat niyang babae.
Wait lang, isupot kita kasi kalat na mo.
Totoo dyan.
Sabi nga sa Giselle, we tend to overshare because we want attention. So I'm doing a vlog with my BE Ed. We're going to pass our instructional materials.
Yeah, it's the better faces of the moon.
And he has a kinanabi bumalik talaga kayo. Ang bagong gupit siya, guys. She's so beautiful today, like her.
Thank you.
Right? Damn right?
Right.
We're going to pass na. So guys, we are waiting for our point. Motion pala. And this is the bad girl of the debate. That girl. Saan ka bibili sa
Shan, sabihin nyo kapag naghihintay na sila Sir at Juan. Walang signal sa taas ka. Guys, mag-EAOC na kami. Debate and sa amin nakasalala yung script kasi researchers kami guys. Jana! Send mo! Finals ganap. Jana, ayan na! Excuse me po. Ano, kanino mo sinend? Jana Maala po. Jana Maala. 3 pieces po. 3 copies. A4 na lang po.
Bayaran mo yun ah. Isa lang.
Opo, then Xerox na lang.
The motion, this House believes that local
Ito na talaga,
language
guys.
instruction is more important than English proficiency in early education.
Ba? Yes. Oh, wow. Where are we? We're at SMU Grade School. And we're gonna observe. What's that? Ang lamig dito, guys. It's very air conditioned. Ayan, dito air conditioned sa amin. Sa amin, init na init kami kanina.
Ay, nag-apply kami din talaga.
Uwi na din tayo, be. What's your reaction? So guys, we're done. Anong masisil mo?
Kaya ko bang mag-ano-ano?
Ang gulo nila, parang New Year dito. Let's go. So guys, we just done.
Nagkanawa talaga, girl.
Anong masasabi mo sa elementary?
Hindi ko na alam.
Oo, like 6 na lang. Ay, tapos, ay, nadyo letter mo. Binigyan kami, guys. The president. Gusto mo lang kami nagtahimik isuna.
Guys, basa kami.
Oh my gosh. Lance is sunduing us. Ayan. But wait lang. Baha. Ayan. So, guys, today we're going to walk upon the water.
Lumalakas. Lumalakas.
Anyong! Come on! Thank you, Lance. Sinundo niya po kami.
Hello guys. Hindi ko po siya pinilit magsimba.
Hindi ko naman sinisi si Lord.
Baka there's a sign.
Sabi ko nga, there's something behind the
Yeah.
reason. We're going to eat lunch. Bye! Hi guys! So today we're here at Inasal House and I'm drinking Sinigang.
Siyempre dito naman ako kay Latian. Bumili pa talaga ng payon.
it's our final day, final exam day. And what are you gonna say?
I feel nervous, but at the same time, I feel happy because this is the last time that we're
Yeah.
going to break our leg.
Yeah.
As a freshman
Right.
and breaking sophomore na this.
Going to sophomore, so now we're going to have an exam at GSL. So 1, 2, 3, go.
Mel. Mag-exam kami ngayon. Exam ng final sa GSEL.
Sorry, ano ba?
I think you did it. Welcome back to our vlog.
Exam guys.
Video mo akong nagre-review.
I-video mo ako nagre-review, sabi niya.
Wait lang pala.
Stick nyo ay.
What do we mean when we say supplication? When we say supplication, it is dependent. Tika mo na lang yan.
Best yung mo nga.
Ano naman to?
Kailangan mo na sarili mo guys.
Ala, si Jana, ba't ka nagtagtagan ni Jana Maal?
Morning guys. So, final exam na. Mahirap yung subject guys, mahirap. Mas dyan oh. Jela. 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 Jela guys. Masyado siyang aral na aral siya guys. Ito, guys, si George. He's my best friend. Masyado siyang mataas na pamilya guys, kaya di namin siya po-reach. Sabi magtutropa siya yung pinakamataas. Mayroon siyang car, madami siyang cellphone. May ano yan guys, lahat ng gamit niya is Apple. Ano ang trabaho nila?
Scammer.
Scammer daw sila guys.
Hi everyone! So we're eating here in front of our school.
Yo, darn!
In Ateneonards. And what are you eating? What are you eating? Doon ako mag-upload eh. Nag-pray ka na ba? Guys, we're going to the apartment and we're gonna rest because we're tired as fuck.
Huwag apartment condo.
Cloud chase, social climber. And now we're just gonna rest a bit and we're gonna review for our majors. Major in English and elementary education. So that's all guys, see you later. Hi everyone! So today we are going now to have an exam of our majors. The English majors are stressing out. Like, oh! Ayan, all hots. Yan yung mga hotspot natin. And George! It's their English major examination. Final exam na namin to guys before we gonna be free from the toxicity. And I'm currently reviewing PE Ed kasi na-realize ko cover to cover pala eh. Wala pa akong review ni isa. 1 hour sleep, 30 minutes review lang ginawa ko kanina. Kaya let's go! Bye! See you later! George. Ang taray, ang seryoso niya today.
So ayun guys, no? Nandito si Father guys. Father, mag-hi ka nga po sa vlog namin, Father. Ayun, no? Ayun. Vlog ba yan? Opo, Father. May vlog pa kami, Father.
Na rin tayo sa
Guys, alam nyo ba kung bakit merong pag first year ka kasi, tawag sa'yo freshies. Pag second year, sophomore, kami, first year pa lang kami guys, bugbog na kami kaya hindi na kami freshies guys. Hindi na kami freshies, sophomore na kami. Bugbog na kasi kami sa first year man. Ayan, yan o sila pa o.
Never naging fresh to.
Baga kung may example ng hindi pagiging fresh. Yan sila pa o. Oo. Aray ko. Ano, pinagtatanggal pa ni Jello.
Grabe yung mga... Yan talaga mga sophomore.
Pasado na.
Hindi ganun pa rin, or?
Junior naman
Guys.
ito never naging friend.
Pero nakakatakot din ano guys, mag-upgrade ba ng level? Yan si Mama Mary guys, oh. Yan siya. Pa yung ano yan? Wala akong payong. Ay, oh pala, may payong pala dito eh. Hawang-hawak ko eh. Guys, papunta na kami sa... Hindi ko alam guys, saan kami kakain. Pero... check ko muna yung PM ni ate ko guys kung meron na at baka umuwi na lang ako. Hindi na sila lang kakain yan. So siya yung alalay ko guys. Personal assistant. Kayong ano ako?
Ito ang videographer ko din talaga.
Ano? Pumunta na kami guys. Update na lang namin kayo mamaya. Bye-bye!
So hello guys, welcome to our vlog. So this day will be a memorable day for us kasi ito na yung last day namin as Freshies. So come and join
Asan
us.
tayo?
Jasper.
Jasper.
Ano tayong gagawin dito? So, ordering ko po ay sotanghon-gan.
Okay, good. What are
Dito kami parang ginajudge na kami nila.
Kakaya na. Let's see. Mag-isip nga ako. Bakit ang scripted nyo namang tao? Isa nga pong wonton. Ay, beef wonton. Ikaw.
Dito isang... Sige, sobrang natin. Sotang... Ay, sotang. Mickey... Ano na lang? Mickey Lomi. It's me again. So, katatapos din namin nag-order namin sa atin. Ano in-order mo? Like kay Jamie, ang in-order niya is Lomi Kabagan, right? Shadrack Lomi Kabagan din. And this is Shadrack. Ayan. And of course, sasawa na kayo kay Angela. Ayan. Ang tawag namin kay Angela actually is Yobmot. Yobmot. Short for tomboy. Hindi, joke lang guys kasi ano, sobrang galing niya kumanta as pinaglihi siya kay Charis Pempenko.
Musician, singer.
Yeah, musician, singer, and actress.
Wow.
Pang teatro publiko.
Very
Boom!
talented.
Diba?
Right?
Diba? Right? Yeah, agree. Nonchalant ang person. Ayan.
Sobrang OA mong tao. Hi guys, so today, kasi ang vlog ko like, ano lang, like chill vlog, like that.
Chill ba yan?
So today it's our last day as being a
Fourth
freshman.
year ka na po?
Uy, mukha lang akong fourth year pero first year pa lang ako. So, we're going to road to sophomore, second year, and see you on enrollment. Nag-outro na, wala pa pa. Yeah, academic advice.
Academic advising on
July 28, so you
wait for our update.
yeah, wait for our updates, and I don't know if I'm gonna edit this.
So kung nanonood man po kayo, St. Mary's
2027
University,
will really
mahal na mahal namin kayo. Sana mag-suspend na po kayo ng pasok kasi uwi na po kami. Thank you!
Meron akong copyright tayo.
Oo nga, copyright.
My God.
Okay, bye guys. After ano na lang, after na itong song.
Bye.
So welcome to our vlog. This is Last sa Tingapos and welcome to our daily vlog as final day ng mga freshies.
Outro.
Nag-aaway kami ngayon kasi hindi malinaw yung sinabi ni Angela.
Outro.
Sabi niya intro, di ba? Intro, tapos nag-welcome ako. Sabi niya, hindi yan pang outro.
Itama yung hila, dapat hindi sila matamaan.
Gets ko na.
Dapat na yung hila para
Wala na sa ibang kwento. Jump story talaga yun. 1, 2. I-demonstrate mo nga ulit yung paano, Shadrack?
Sama mo sa parang malapit sa ano yung sura. Color pick na pinabulat na hindi ka maturo. Parang candy. Ang kawayan na bilog, tapos ilagay mo, ibasahin mo ng paper, tapos yung gano'n. Ganon. Oo, ganun
guys. Kapit. Biyaheng second year. Yun guys, bye-bye. Ano siya guys?